Okay, let's talk about the problem of the day. Now remember, mistakes are for learning. I was so grateful to the students that I had last year that shared this work because we could all learn from it as a team, and that is what math is all about. Which student solved the problem successfully? Jamal or Abram? Say it out loud. Yeah, Abram's work is correct. I'm going to put an X next to Jamal and a check next to Abram so that we can remember. Okay, so let's think about the mistakes that Jamal made. What mistake did he make here when he was multiplying 40 times 50? Say it out loud. Yeah, he only added 1 0 to his basic fact, not 2 zeros. 4 times 5 is 20. He only added 1 more 0 there. Well, why did he need to add 2 zeros to 20? Go ahead and say it out loud. Yeah, he's multiplying 4 tens are 40 and 5 tens are 50. Tens times tens means we're going to have hundreds. So we have to add 2 zeros to show that place value. So I'm going to go ahead and make a note for us here so we can remember the mistake that he didn't add 2 zeros for hundreds. Great. And there's one other mistake. What do you notice? Say it out loud. Yeah, he multiplied 50 times 7 instead of 40 times 7. Well, why is that a mistake? Say it out loud. Yeah, 50 and 7 are part of the same factor. We need to multiply the places in the other factor, not the same factor. I'll make a note here so we can remember. He multiplied places in the same factor. Okay, so let's look at Abram's work and understand what he did correctly. What did Abram do differently from Jamal when he multiplied 40 times 50 and got 2,000? Say it out loud. Yep, he multiplied 4 times 5 for his basic fact, and he got 20. Then he added 2 zeros to show that he had 20 hundreds, or 2,000. Okay, what do you think he was thinking when he did this? Go ahead and say it out loud. Yeah, I bet he was thinking that tens times tens are hundreds. So I have to add 2 zeros to my basic fact to show that place value. Let's make a note of that. Abram added 2 zeros for his hundreds that he got. Great. And how about right here in this rectangle? What did he do differently? Say it out loud. Yeah, he multiplied 40 times 7, not 50 times 7. Why is that important? Say it out loud. Right. we're trying to multiply the places that are in opposite factors, not ones from the same factor. Let's make a note of that here. Abram multiplied places from opposite or different factors. Great. Okay. So what do you think we should be thinking about today when we're multiplying so that we don't make the same mistakes that Jamal did? Go ahead and say it out loud. Right, when we multiply tens times tens, we are going to have hundreds. So we add 2 zeros to the basic fact when that happens. Read this with me. When we multiply tens times tens, we have hundreds. So we have to add 2 zeros to the basic fact. And what about multiplying places? Should we multiply places from the same factor or different factors? Say it out loud. Right, we have to multiply places from different factors. I captured it here. Read it with me. We multiply places from the other factor. Awesome. Go ahead and click on the arrow and move to the next slide.